Okay, this little video will give you a better idea of how the furnace works, how it heats the house, and what we all have to pay for in the winter time. First things first, this is the furnace. That thing there, it runs on natural gas, and that comes into the house. Oh, it's hard to see, but somewhere on the north side of the building it comes in this kind of tube, goes through this meter, which tells the company how much gas I'm using. They're able to read that from the street, actually, with some kind of electronic reader. Up above here, okay, the pipe continues up there, goes up here, follows along, up through, okay, right there it is, over to here, down, 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 and it's running right now. You look inside here. Well, we can take this panel off, and there's the big fire. Okay, this little fan right here, as you can see, going this way around, helps the exhaust to go up this chimney and up out through the roof of the house. Okay, the fire just did shut off. Maybe you heard that difference. It has stopped. And in a little while, there's a large fan down in here. If I open that, it will stop. There's a shut-off switch there. But anyway, there's a large fan in here which pulls air through the furnace. And, okay, the exhaust fan just shut off. That'll quit spinning any second. And the main fan is still blowing, however. So cool air comes. I guess I better back up. You want to watch that stop? That exhaust fan stops right there. Actually, this fan starts first when the furnace begins. There's a switch upstairs in the house, and when the thermostat, when the temperature gets a little bit too cool, it'll send a signal to this fan to start going around, and that gets the air moving up. Then the gas will start to turn on. There is an igniter right here at the end of this, right inside there. That will glow hot, and when the gas passes by that, it will burn. It will start to make fire. Okay, that burns for a little bit, and then when it gets hot enough, then the big fan will start and blow the air throughout the house. This part up here is called a plenum chamber. Don't ask me what that means, but that's what that's about. That will direct the hot air. This is warm, hot air in these kinds of ductwork into different rooms of the house. This one goes into one bedroom. There's one up here going up and into another bedroom. Oh, the fan shut off. That's nice. And boom. Where's the third one? Oh, right here. And this one goes up into the third bedroom, which was my office. Outside we see some snow, and actually the air conditioning unit is right outside this window too. That air conditioner uses all the same ductwork. this affair is, let me turn around, maybe we can see a little better. There is a hole in the wall up, hard to see, up in that area. It brings cold air, fresh air in from the outside. I have it in this plastic whatever, and that guarantees clean, fresh air. Let me put this back on just for the fun of it. How does it slip in there? There we go. Okay. So, throughout the house there are what we would call cold air vents, air that is room temperature coming into the furnace. Here is one, for example. This one, this one is in one bedroom, and so cold air into there, into here, and goes down. There's a filter inside here to catch dust and dirt, and again, so cold air comes in there. The fan is down at the bottom here. Fire is in this area. Heat, this chimney is where the gas exhaust goes. The heat goes up in that fat part and into these ducts. Going this way, there are other ducts up here and around and such throughout the basement of the house, and the air goes to places like that. This one, for example, goes up to the kitchen. I'll cover this light a little bit. So right up there is where the heat goes to the kitchen. Other duct, too dark here, goes into the living room, also into the other half of this room. So that's pretty much what you get here, and I think that's the end of this. As you can see, I'll turn this light on again. So the furnace from this view, this machine here is for soft water. The one behind it is for hot water, and then the rest of all of that is the furnace, and that's that. Thank you. Bye.